To lubricate the fast axis bearing, open the hood and pull the carriage towards you. Place some paper towel down underneath the left-hand side of the fast axis. You also need to place paper towel here to cover the overflow. This is a really important step to prevent any oil from getting into the overflow. Using a damp cloth, clean the two rails behind the carriage. This is to remove any residual core that may have been left behind. And the water that you should use is distilled water. It's then important to use a dry cloth just to dry any moisture that may have been left behind on the rails. Push the print cartridge across to the left until you can see the lid. That's the lid of the oiling hole right there. There is some oil that's supplied in your kit in a small bottle, which is the oil that you'll need to use. Use your pick to pull the lid up, like so, and then place 5 drops of the oil directly into the hole, being sure not to spill any. Close the lid. Be careful also not to overflow the oil when you're pouring it in there. Move the print cartridge left and right in order to lubricate, and then push the carriage to the back of the printer. Remove your oil. Then remove the paper towel that was placed inside the printer. And close the hood.